In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Binance gift card. So in order to do that, we're going to be making use of a site called Buy Sell Voucher. Open any of your browsers and search for Buy Sell Voucher. So click on the first link right here. So when you open the site, you're just going to search for Binance gift card. So when you search for Binance gift card, a list of products appear. So we're just going to click on Binance gift card $10 global. So you're going to see the product right here and the product description and the total price. If you're okay with that, click on buy now. So that inform you that the product will be delivered manually by the seller and the order must be delivered under 24 hours. Just go ahead and click on continue. So you're going to be asked to select a payment method. We're just going to select a payment method right here. And then you can also see the product details, the provider fee and the service fee. When you're done checking that out, you enter your email for product delivery, you enter reCAPTCHA, and then you can buy the gift card.